In this video, I'll show you how to copy using your Epson WorkForce WF-2860 or 2960. It's very easy, and there's two ways this can be done since this printer has two different scanners. I'll show you how to do it with each of them. So first of all, let's try with the scanner glass. This is great if you have one page to make a copy of, or maybe two. But if you have more than two, I suggest you're using the top document feeder over here that can take 20 pages at the time. I'll show you how it works in just a few seconds. So over here, I'll put this lid up. It's able to stay up by itself. Take your page, put it facing down with the top part of your page on the right side. And you're gonna notice there is an arrow over here on this corner. You need to align the corner of your paper with this arrow. So I'll take it like this until both are touching. Then close this. And on the screen over here, let me give you a close-up. One of these options should be copy. Mine is the first one. I'll tap on it. And we'll have multiple options at this point. So we have this tab, which is copy, but we also have advanced settings. If you press on this, you'll have more options if the options in copy are not enough for you. But I think for 99% of people, this is plenty. So first here, you need to select if you want the copy to be in black and white, BNW, or color. I'll prefer black and white, so I'll keep it like this. The second option over here is if we're scanning more than one page, because this is where you'll be able to select if you want your copy to be on both sides of the page. So let's say you have two pages that you want to combine in one single page. You'll be able to choose over here to do so. And finally, the last option over here is the contrast. Now, if you're trying to scan something with a very low contrast, let's say you're scanning a receipt from a store, but it's washed out. By clicking here, you can increase the contrast by tapping this plus symbol, or decrease it. Let's say you prefer that. It's up to you. I'll keep it to 0. Press OK. And finally, you need to select the number of copies. I just want one of them, but if you want 5 copies from this scan, tap here and input your number. Once you're done, press copy. Just make sure that you have some paper inserted over here and pull on this drawer, because this is where the results will go. Then press the copy button. And here we go. We have a black and white copy of the document we have put over here. Now let me show you how to do a copy of multiple pages with this automatic feeder. So I'll remove this over here, although you can keep paper there. You're not obligated to remove it every time. So here, let's say I have 3 pages I want to copy. I can do it manually here, but that will take a long time. So over here, this printer has this small flap that you need to open. Place your document, align the pages. The first page should be on the top and place it facing up with the top part of your page on the left side. You see, like this, and then you just have to glide it in until you hear a beep. This is just the scanner telling you that it has recognized that there's something in it. Once you did this, we need to go on the screen, select copy again. Make sure that you see on the lower left side you have ADF selected. If you don't see this, it simply means that the scanner is not aware that there's some paper on the top feeder. ADF stands for Automatic Document Feeder. So again, just make sure that these are okay with you, these settings. If I press here, I'll be able to select to print on both sides of the paper, like that. It even shows you here, page 1 and page 2 will be combined in page number 1. Press OK. And once you're done, press the copy button. And you see the printer is taking one by one the pages. Don't touch anything until it's done. Perfect, it's done. And as you see here, well, this page is only on one side, but the other one is printed on both sides since we have selected two-sided. So this is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If so, please leave a like. If you want to support my channel, check the Amazon affiliate links down below. Every time you buy something through them, I get a very small commission and it helps the channel. Comment, like, and I'll see you in the next video.